Hello everyone, this is Paradox, back to another video, and today I'll be doing some Roux example solve, so let's get into it. So scrambles will just be here. Alright, so first one, I see a good amount of stuff. So there's this orange-green half line, and I note the other two pieces for the square are here if this is on the left. So just easy R2 D prime. So yeah, that's an option. There's also this red yellow DL. And yeah, that looks good too. I think, all right, so this looks good, but DR is bad. Let me see what else. So there's also this. Seems okay. Okay, actually I think I see something that's the best. So I'm gonna stick with this, but instead of orange yellow, I'm gonna do orange white. So if I have this in the back left, other two pieces for the half line are here, so that would just be join and then insert like that. But I note the other two pieces for the block, so the other pair are here and here, so these are going to be orange blue. And I know that when I insert these two into the back and then do a D to insert, these two will be set up here and here, so I can just insert them into the front easily. And DR, it's gonna go up here, misoriented. And then, yeah, after I pair these two, all right, so it'll be right here, misoriented, which is mediocre, but let me do that. So I'm gonna pair these two, so M prime, put them there, and then D. And actually, so here, this is just a finger trick thing, but I can do D and U at the same time, so like that. And then insert this here. Yeah, DR is here misoriented. There's also this pair here, but realistically I wouldn't see that. So I'm just going to go for these two. So what I would do is something like this. Go right into here. You're going to cancel into these two. The CMLL, actually don't know which edges those flip, whatever. And this is a pretty bad case. Just do something like that. And then 4C. Okay, next. Okay, so orange, yellow, DL. There's also this half line thingy there for green, but I'm not liking the other pieces, so probably not going to use that half line. So I'm just looking more at that DL, and it looks pretty promising. DR is mediocre, but I'll do it. So orange, yellow, DL on the left. I hope I'm in frame. I think I am. So yeah, I'm just gonna do DL plus two pairs. So one pair is here, so this is orange blue. Other pair is right here, so everything's kind of close together. But what I saw is I can move this out of the way, bring this up, and then that's just easy insert. And these two after that are gonna be in the front here, so I can solve them pretty straightforward. So anyways, these two in the back, and then these two in the front. I knew DR would be down here, which is mediocre, but pretty easy solution. Let's bring it up. And here I see these two, so I'm going to go for this pair. So I'm going to do that right in here. And here I know I can go straight into these two like this. This case, I'm gonna have a 4 flip, and it's gonna be one LR oriented on top. So I can immediately AUF and then M prime U2 M prime cancellation, side back arrow, and cancel to 4C. Okay. Oh wow, at the same exact time. Okay, I should actually check the scrambles to make sure they're right. This one's right. So we have red, yellow DL, orange, yellow DL. Okay, I'm liking orange, yellow. Let me check red. Red. Okay, red is So I'll do orange. Yeah, orange, yellow. So orange, yellow is going to be on the left right here. One pair is here, other pair is here and in the back. So pretty straightforward. But actually, let me look at DR. Okay, DR is actually good. So what I saw is I can just insert this into the back by just doing M2 like that. And then I knew these two would be here. So this is just a really easy front. And yeah, DR is in a good spot, which I saw. So this is kind of, so I think the best thing to do for second block here is to do this pair here. So red, green, but realistically, I would go for these two on top. So what I would do is something like that. So as I'm bringing this down, I'm orienting it. Then I can go straight into here. I'm looking here. And now here I'm going to pay attention to my CMLL. So I already know it's going to be this columns case because when I solve this pair in the front, it'll preserve. So immediately go into that. I know this LR edge is going to swap here immediately. Bring that down and then 4C. Okay, I'll do two more. Oh, this looks good. Yeah, so there's this green yellow DL and there's just a free pair here and there's this in the back. So they want to move away from being a pair. So yeah, looking pretty good, but actually there is a red yellow DL, so I can use this pair for that too. And I'm gonna actually use red here. So this is a good instance of when you want to look at your options. Because I know DR is gonna literally solve itself if I do red, which I saw. So that's why I'm gonna do red here. So red, yellow DL on the left. So this pair is just really easy. Two moves into the back. And after that, I know this and this are going to be here. So the corner is going to be here, edge there. So it's going to be U2 and then R2 to pair them here and then insert in the front. And through that, DR is just going to solve itself. So let's do that. So first, this in the back. And yeah, these two are here. So R2. And yeah, so as you can see, as I insert this, DR will solve itself. Here, there's this pair, which is nice. And I can go straight into the back pair. This case, so realistically, I would not see this, but why not? You can do lefty, that. You can do lefty, I don't even know what it's called, but that alg with the wide R variation, and it preserves good arrow. So now you have side back, and then cancel in the 4C. Okay, last one. All right, maybe we'll not have a DL plus two pairs approach. So we have this little line thing. Do have a blue white DL, and it looks sort of promising. But let me check the other options, like this line here. I'm not liking it too much. All right, yeah. So I think, actually, no, I see something. Yeah. All right. Actually, DR is kind of mid. All right, I'll just do DL. Actually, no, you know what? I'm not going to do DL since like every solution's been DL plus 2 pairs. So I'm going to actually go with the line solution here. So I saw something kind of nice. I already forgot it. Oh my god. I saw something kind of nice with this line. So where is it? Oh my god. All right, here it is. So if I have, I'm going to do red, white. So I'm going to have this on the left. Other two pieces for the half line are here. And the other two to finish the block are here. So first, to make the red, green, and white half line, you can do something like this. So U prime, U prime D, and then that sets these up. But as you may have noticed when I did that, these two made a pair. So sort of nice there. So that's basically the idea of this. So yeah. So I'm going to do U prime D at the same time. And then here I could also kind of do RM at the same time. And then make that half line. And then insert this pair just right into the back. So yeah, DR is mediocre, but go into it like this. I'll do this pair first. And this is a pretty bad case, but these two. This CML, I don't know what it flips. This is not an EOLRB. It's just standard, and then cancel into 4C. All right, so yeah, 5 example solves right there. Yeah, thanks for watching.